in the Srimad Bhagavatam, in the 7th canto, chapter 14, verse 33. It says that Madhupuri means Mathura, Vrindavan. In English it says in English it says, religious activities performed here in Mathura, Vrindavan give 1,000 times the result of the same activities done elsewhere. Of course, the holy name is transcendental, has all powers, so wherever you chant. But in terms of places, this is what is told here. It says, and then the Sanskrit is dharmahita, dharmahit. Dharmahit means the benefit. Dharmahit pumsam means the person. Sahasradi phalodaya. Very simple. Simple. Sanskrit sounds the same as Hindi. It says sahasra. Sahasra means 1,000. Sahasrafal udaya. Uday means to rise, to manifest, to appear. The sun uday, Surya uday, arundaya. Arundaya, the rising of the pink color. Arundaya means sunrise. Arun means this pink color. Arun is also the name of the chariot driver of Suryadev. His name is Arun, because before you see the owner of the car, you see the driver. The driver is in the front seat, and the owner is in the back seat, left side, leaning down, kind of hiding so no one can see him. So then, and maybe even a curtain there. But the driver you can see quite clearly. So first we see Arun, who we consider to be the pink color of the sky, Arundaya. So he says that 1,000 times fall will rise, Sahasradi phalodaya udai. Of what? Dharmahita pumsam. A person who does Mathura Mandala, Madhupuri me, Mathura Vrindavan me. Dharmahita means religious activities, good activities. Get 1,000 times the benefit.